Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and this is a very different video where I am providing a warning today. There is heavy activation of water signs and nakshatras, which means that starting 22nd June 2021 till around 20th July 2021, we are going to see extremely high rains and severe storms, and these rains will be extremely severe, and there could be flooding and waterlogging in different parts in India, and we will see why this is so. Now, in Vedic astrology, the monsoon is said to start whenever the sun enters the Ardra Nakshatra. Sun is entering into the Ardra Nakshatra on 22nd June 2021 at 3:58 am. Okay, so this chart which you see is cast as on 22nd June 2021 3:58 am with the place as New Delhi, that is the capital of India. Now the word Ardra means moist, okay, and the deity of Ardra is Rudra. Ardra Nakshatra is symbolized by storms and thunder. Rahu rules the Ardra Nakshatra, and Rahu is right now placed in the Rohini Nakshatra. Rohini Nakshatra is ruled by the moon, who is the controller of water. Moon controls the water bodies. If you see Mars also, or Mangal, Mars is placed in the sign of Cancer right now, okay, and he is also in a watery sign. Next, let us look at the sign of Scorpio, which is a watery sign, and we have Ketu present in the sign of Scorpio in the Anuradha Nakshatra. Let us look at Saturn. Saturn is placed in the sign of Capricorn inside the Shravan Nakshatra. Shravan Nakshatra is again ruled by the moon. At the same time, Jupiter has also become retrograde. Saturn is also retrograde. Retrograde Jupiter is present in the sign of Aquarius, which is an Aries sign. Retrograde Jupiter is aspecting the Sun with its fifth aspect in the sign of Gemini. Gemini is again an Aries sign. And when Jupiter is retrograde, he is very powerful, and his fifth aspect on the Sun creates storms. Similarly, Saturn's seventh aspect on Mars is again a retrograde Saturn aspecting a debilitated Mars, and therefore it indicates that the water element is strongly activated in this time period. You can see that the watery signs are strongly activated, and malefic planets are present in the moon's nakshatras. Moon is the controller of water bodies, and therefore you can experience high tide, severe rainfall, and some kind of storms in this time period. Now, because the water element is so highly activated, the rains in this year, they will be extremely severe, and monsoon starts when sun enters into the Ardra Nakshatra. Ardra Nakshatra is again symbolized by thunder and lightning, which means when the sun enters Ardra Nakshatra on 22nd June 2021, severe rains will be activated. You will see lightning, thunderstorms in the sky. Which regions will these rains impact? They will impact the Bay of Bengal, they will impact the region of Himachal Pradesh, they will impact the western regions such as Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala, and some parts of Gujarat. The rains will be extremely severe in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Vadodara. It reminds me of the day of 26 July 2005, I think, when there was severe rainfall in Mumbai and the streets were flooded. So rains of that magnitude or even stronger magnitude will be seen in this time period starting 22nd June 2021 till 20th July 2021. Why 20th July 2021? Because on 20th July 2021, Mars is going to exit the sign of Cancer and he is going to enter into the sign of Leo. By this time, the Sun will also exit the sign of Gemini and enter into the sign of Cancer. And therefore, from 22nd June 2021 till 20th July 2021, you will see severe rains in the western regions, in the western Ghats, namely in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, and the region of Bay of Bengal. So friends, in this time period, do not venture out unnecessarily because the water element is strongly activated by malefic planets. It also increases the possibility of waterborne diseases spreading because of this heavy rain and causing further problems. So my advice is, during this time period, do not venture out unnecessarily. Do not get into trouble. Although in this chart you see Venus right now in the sign of Gemini, tomorrow he is going to again move into the sign of Cancer. And Venus also represents water, and when Venus comes in combination with Mars, again it is going to give heavy rainfall. Venus is nothing but the lust, the love, the semen, and Mars is aggravation of these factors. And therefore, you can see that now there is going to be very heavy rainfall starting 22nd June, and this will go on till 20th July 2021. So friends, take care of yourself. Do not venture out in this monsoon. Do not harm yourself. And this is the only advice I want to give you through this short video. If you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. For any consultations or queries, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.